And we all have at our core a deep longing to love and be loved. I wanted people to get the message that you can have really different personalities and have real differences of opinion and still love each other incredibly and care for each other and have a great relationship. It's not going to be smooth, you're not always going to be happy, but you can get through it and you can have a secure attachment. That's what my book is about. Emotions, in fact, are critical to our well-being, and paying attention to our emotions, not disregarding them. Even difficult emotions can bring us together when we know how to kind of get underneath them. You need someone that's going to ask the deeper questions like, will you be there for me? And am I there for you? Love Under Repair details everything you need to know to choose the kind of couples therapist that will use the power of emotion and love to help you transform your relationship into a vibrant partnership that will last a lifetime.